In the world of cryptocurrency, all eyes are currently on XRP. As analysts, we try to understand how crucial it is to pay attention to the numbers and charts right now. If XRP were to change its path, starting to drop significantly and lose important support, we'd need to shift from being hopeful to more cautious. But as of now, XRP seems to be doing well, and we're committed to keeping a close watch on the data and charts. Our goal is to provide you with the best insights into what's happening with XRP, always ready to adapt and share updates with you. Welcome to CoinVantage. I'll be sharing fresh content regularly, so please feel free to like, subscribe, and comment. Your engagement fuels our content creation. And remember, this isn't financial advice. Investing in cryptocurrencies carries risks. It is crucial to consult a seasoned financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Now, let's shift our focus to XRP's performance. It's crucial to take the numbers and charts seriously at this point. Of course, if XRP were to take a turn and start breaking down, losing significant structural and support levels, we'd need to transition from an optimistic to a pessimistic look. However, for the time being, it's performing well, and our attention must remain fixed on the data and charts. This is a fundamental aspect of our role as analysts. If I were to tell you that XRP is currently in a typical bear market rather than a correction, we could project a simple buyback zone, possibly around 5 or maybe 6 cents. I believe it's 6 cents, right? This projection is based on the well-established methodology for estimating the duration of a bear market for XRP, which has been extensively discussed. In bear markets, XRP often experiences a drop of around 96 to 97% from its all-time high to its lowest point. If I recall correctly, a similar scenario unfolded back in 2013. During that time, XRP experienced a significant bear market, plummeting as much as 95% from its all-time high. Subsequently, it's embarked on a notable upward trajectory, retracing back to an ABC correction before breaking out. This is why I find the current situation in 2020 eerily reminiscent of that time. We witnessed a substantial impulsive move, followed by a substantial correction in which it established a higher low compared to the previous levels. Much like previous cycles, we are currently in the process of gradually moving back up. I've been closely monitoring this for quite some time, avoiding overly optimistic or speculative statements and instead of focusing on the data and statistics. If the current ascending support level were to break and indicators such as the MACD fall below the zero line, my outlook for XRP would shift from bullish to bearish. You must adopt our analysis to align with what the data and charts indicate. Presently, my estimate hovers around 0.06113, although this might change if we were to begin losing the same level of support for XRP and the MACD below the zero line fails to show promise, thereby invalidating the accumulating bullish evidence for XRP. There's also some optimism around this level, particularly because it's close to a swing high, making it a potentially attractive buyback zone. I've reiterated at this point before, but swing highs and lows are pivotal in identifying support and resistance. Whether we'll reach that point remains uncertain, and I want to emphasize that I don't possess absolute certainty. We must remain flexible to adapt to market shifts. This forecast may materialize under specific conditions, but the current outlook appears positive. There was a breakout followed by a retracement to support, which we interpret as a double tap, a promising reversal pattern resembling an ascending triangle. We're steadily progressing toward the resistance level, and I've consistently emphasized that the third touch is usually when significant breakthroughs occur. Alternatively, XRP may be a horizontal symmetrical triangle, indicating a potential upside breakout. However, if the ascending trend line were to break and transform into resistance, this particular setup would become obsolete, necessitating a revision of our forecast. Now, let's delve into the 4-hour time frame to gather more insights. After breaching the support level, XRP is expected to retest two key resistance levels on the 4-hour chart, 0.059723 and 0.67090. This retesting pattern is observable both on the daily and 4th-hour time frames. Currently, I'm observing the potential formation of a reversal reversal pattern in XRP, resembling a double bottom, which could lead to an attempt to breach the aforementioned resistance levels. In this trading scenario, we seek 5-wave decline pattern to establish trust. At present, it appears that retracement is underway following what seems to be a subsequence of 1, 2, a possible 3, a potential 4, and a final 5-way downward movement. This is why I constantly look for a 5-way count and might consider counter trading if such a pattern emerges. In the event of further declines, I will implement a protective stop, with XRP having retraced over 47% of its recent peak, while the white line now represents a potential downside target during this correction phase. In previous discussions, I've advised considering a profit-taking strategies and weighing both long and short positions around the 82-cent mark. Should XRP continue its descent and form an ABC pattern, there's potential for a buy zone to emerge around 0.040. We've seen a breakout from this level earlier this year. The ultimate determination of whether we reach this zone hinges on overall market performance and XRP behavior, but it's an opportunity that deserves consideration. When dealing with XRP, a patient, long-term perspective is crucial. Minor setbacks could be anticipated, but the long-term outlook remains optimistic. Given the passage of time, it's reasonable to anticipate the gradual breach of this support and resistance level before a resumption of the upward trend. Rest assured, I'm committed to promptly communicating any significant updates. You can trust that I'll keep you well informed regarding XRP. We're getting closer to a potential deal, and the current outlook is positive. We believe we've identified a solution, possibly an ABC pattern, unfolding in its entirety. Currently, we're on the path to regaining lost ground, so there's no bias here. This reflects the underlying strength of the bull market. As you can see, the support for the ascending triangle, horizontal symmetrical triangle, or whichever term you prefer, implies a transition from compression to expansion, akin to a bull flag. It's essential to recognize that this setup would be faltered if we start breaching the lower boundaries. This pattern has been evident for a considerable duration, although it may not sit well with everyone. I assure you that I'll promptly notify you should there be any signs of a power loss or disruption. Thankfully, things seem to be progressing smoothly so far, with data integrity intact. Notably, XRP accelerated toward what resistance level the last time we witnessed an MACD bullish cross under the zero line. We've introduced this concept a few months ago, and our response to this signal has been commendable, propelling us to a closer line of defense. As I've mentioned previously, the guidelines is to look for 3 points of contact, hence XRP might soon be a breakthrough at that resistance level, or so I hope. Let's take a closer look at the 4-hour chart to gather additional insights in the near future. XRP's 4-hour time frame is likely to undergo a candle backfast, testing support levels at around 0.059723 and 0.067090. This retesting scenario is visible on both the daily and 4-hour charts. Currently, I'm closely monitoring XRP, and it appears that a potential reversal pattern is unfolding, resembling a double down bottom pattern followed by a renewed attempt to breach the previously mentioned resistance zone. However, to have confidence in the entering this trade, we need to witness 5 waves down from that point. At present, it seems like we're undergoing a retracement following what appears to be a sequence of 1, 2, a possible 3, a potential 4, and a final wave 5 decline. This is why I consistently seek a 5-way count and might consider counter trading if such a pattern materializes. In case of further declines, I'll implement a protective stop. Our analysis of XRP suggests a cautious yet optimistic outlook. While the cryptocurrency market is inherently volatile and subject to fluctuations, the current data and chart patterns indicate a potential for bullish momentum. It's essential to remain vigilant, respecting the support and resistance levels, as well as monitoring key indicators like the MACD. Patience remains crucial in navigating the crypto landscape, as XRP may undergo corrections and retracements. Ultimately, the crypto market is ever evolving, and staying informed and adaptable is key to making informed decisions in this dynamic space. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a like, subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.